Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be looking at the VideoMicro. Now after spending a week and a half with this product, I'm not 100% convinced that this product is best suited for my needs. I'm basically making videos outdoors, in my kitchen, and basically in my spare room doing voiceovers. So after countless additional hours of research, I decided to see whether I could find something more suited from the Rode's product line. And today I'm going to be looking also at the VideoMic NTG. Now there's been countless videos done on each of them that are far outstanding than my own. They done thorough tests on the audio, comparison, and looked at the various features. But today I'm going to be looking at outdoors, and in fair comparison, to compare against the VideoMicro, I also purchased the WS11. Now I know the VideoMicro does come with its own Deadcat, so that's hard to do an apple-to-apples comparison between the VideoMicro and the VideoMicro NTG. Now some people might be fine with just using the VideoMicro for vlogging, and that's perfectly fine. But today I'm going to be looking at the Video NTG with the WS11 outdoors and putting it through its pace. And for this video, I am not going to do any edits, and these are going to be raw videos from my camera to my Adobe Premiere. The only settings I'm going to be adjusting is the audio preamp in my camera. So let's take a look at both of them. So just before we start, here's a glimpse of what my setup looks like. So I have my camera attached directly above my product, and just right above I have my boom stick. And everything is about, let's say, a good 20 inches apart from the camera and the mic. So now before we begin, this is the audio that's coming directly from my 5D Mark IV. Just for comparison, I tried to normalize the decibel to around -12 decibel. And I'll try my best to normalize the decibel for each microphone. So included in the Rode, you have your shotgun mic. You also have your Ryco suspension mount. You also have your Deadcat, which is very nice to have because the NTG does not include one. And you have your TRS to TRS adapter. Now if you want to connect this directly to your, let's say, your smartphone, you're going to need something like this. Oh, this is not officially a Rode mic adapter, but this is a TRS. You can tell by the two circular ring, to a TRRS. And if you're using if your phone doesn't have a 3mm jack, you're going to need an adapter, something like this, which converts your TRRS to a USB-C. If you don't have if you only have a USB-C. So alright, let's start testing the VideoMicro and say some catchy fun phrases. So right now we have the VideoMicro attached to my mic boom, and it's about 20 inches away, and we're in an ambient outdoor environment, and you will hear the whole surround environment with the Deadcat on. So just to test some test phrase, let's think of something funny. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Oh, it's alright, so let's switch to taking off the Deadcat and see what it sounds like. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Well, that's about all the adjustments we can do. So I'm going to put back the Deadcat back on the microphone, since I'm pretty sure I'm picking up a lot of environmental sound. So let me know if you hear a big difference between with the Deadcat on and without the Deadcat on. So my biggest grip with the VideoMicro is simply, you can hear the air conditioning just kicked in. I don't know if you could hear that, but we'll find out in post-production. So my biggest grip with the VideoMicro is that for me to adjust the decibel sound, I have to go all the way back to my camera, fiddle around with the controls, and then see from my smartphone whether it's in close proximity to the negative 12 decibel range. And I have to constantly go back and forth and turn on my phone, and it's a pain in the neck. And that's why I was kind of leaning towards picking up the NTG, because it has the adjustable knob to adjust the sound volume gain. But the one thing I loved about the VideoMicro is that it didn't use any batteries. You know, the NTG has a built-in battery, and like any battery, it will die over time. Now, a lot of people, you know, say, "Oh, that's a big killer for me. You know, I'm never going to pick it up." Well, if you registered the VideoMicro NTG on their website, you get a 10-year warranty. Whether they honor that warranty in 10 years, 5 years, who knows? Or maybe they'll have something better out in 5 to 10 years, or maybe you broke your microphone and you have to get a new one by then. But it is pricey for a microphone, $250, which I bought from B&H. Alright, this is the time I've been waiting for since I ever got this package. Unpackaging the box. Now I'll fast forward this. So this microphone has 30 hours of battery life, auto sensing output, safety channels, high directional, USB audio compatible, and precision gain control. Now, I've seen a lot of great YouTubes talking about this mic and looking at the background, but it's always been with this padded safety cushion. And that's why for this video, I'm taking a look how the WS11 performs an outdoor setting with this mic. And I'm going to put it through this pace with my catchy cat and dog phrase. So I'm going to right now switch over to my Rode Micro for the first time. Oh, I forgot that I need to update the firmware. So I'll be right back in a second. Well, I'm back. That was a quick firmware update because, well, I didn't have to update it at all. Apparently it was already on firmware 1.1 already. So, I guess a lot of the earlier versions from what I saw from YouTube already had the older version. So I'm guessing if you purchased it anywhere from end of May and afterwards, you already have updated to the latest firmware version of 1.1.1. So alright, let's get to attaching this to my DSLR and seeing how it performs. So here's a close-up look at the Rode NTG. You got this twisty knob that adjusts the audio gain. It goes from 1 to all the way up to 15. You have your power button and your two different control functions. On the left hand side you have your 3mm input jack, and on the right hand side you have the USB-C. And I gotta say, the quality of this Ryco shock mount is really sturdy. It's made out of really good plastic. This is this is made out of plastic, so I'm a little bit concerned that whether it'll wear down over time. So I'm gonna be using this TRS 3mm adapter and connecting it to my DSLR. Now, before you do any adjustments, you have to go into your video settings and turn down your audio recording level all the way down. And what they recommend you to do is turn it all the way down and just hit the first gain button. Just check that again. And turn it just one notch up. And there we go, we can start recording. So right now I have the Rode NTG attached directly to my camera with none of the filters turned on, and the audio gain is set for 11. So let's go directly ahead and just test our microphone. Oh, and the windshield foam is attached directly to the microphone right now. So let's turn the audio gain all the way back down to 1. The cat and dog did not like each other. And this is at setting 1. The cat and dog did not like each other. That's at 3. The cat and dog did not like each other. This is at 7. The cat and dog did not like each other. And we're at 9. The cat and dog did not like each other. And we're at 11. The cat and dog did not like each other. And right now I can see I'm probably close to the approximate to the -12 decibel range that I want. Okay, we're going to increase it to all the way to 13. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. And right now I can see that with the windshield foam that I'm almost close to peaking. And now we're at 15. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. I'm going to just turn it back down to 11 as we speak. The cat and dog did not like each other. So let me know if you heard how the outdoor environmental sounds like. I'm not really sure. I haven't really looked at this video yet. So tell me how it compares to the VideoMicro. So alright, we're going to test a couple more features before we finish this video. So we're going to turn on the -20 decibel and see how that does. And we're at 11 gain on the microphone. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. And already from my smartphone I can see that the volume decreased significantly down from the -12 decibel range I wanted. And right now we turned on the safety channel, where we had the left and right channels recording at different volumes. I believe the right one is recording it at -20 decibel in mono stereo. So right now I have both of them turned off, the -20 decibel and the safety channel. Let's go do the high pass filter. So right now I have the 75 high pass filter turned on. Let's see how that sounds. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now I just turn on the 150 high pass filter. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. And now I turn on the high frequency boost. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Alright, now I'm going to take off the windshield mount and put on the Deadcat. So alright, now we have the Deadcat filter on, and we're about approximately 11.5 on the audio gain. And let's go ahead and test out audio phrase. So we're turning down the microphone all the way back down, so if you don't hear me, you'll know why. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now we're at audio gain level 3 with no filter on. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now we're at level 5. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now we're at 7. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now we're at 9, level 9. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. I guess the windshield foam did not really like being replaced by the Deadcat, so it's rolling away from me right now. Now we're at 11. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. So right now I see from my smartphone that I'm reaching that, hitting that negative 12 decibel range. Right now we're at level 12. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now we're at level 15. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. So now we're at level audio gain level 11 and negative 20 decibel. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now I have the safety channel on. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now we have the 75 high pass filter turn on. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Oh, this is 150 high filter pass. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now this is the high frequency boost with none of the high pass filter turned on. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. So right now there's nothing on the NTG microphone. Here I have the windshield guard and the Deadcat, so my microphone is completely naked and we're completely exposed to the environment of no protection from sounds. So let me know how I sound and how the environment is picking up right now. Right now we're at the audio gain 11 on the microphone and none of the filters are turned on. Right now I have the negative 20 decibel turned on. The cat and dog did not like each other. The cat and dog did not like each other. Now we have the safety channel turned on. The cat and dog do not like each other. The cat and dog do not like each other. Right now we only have the 75 high pass filter on. The cat and dog do not like each other. The cat and dog do not like each other. Now we have the 150 high pass filter turned on. The cat and dog do not like each other. The cat and dog do not like each other. You guys probably heard my air conditioning just turned on. And let me know if you heard that or not. And last but not least, I'm going to turn on the high frequency boost only. The cat and dog do not like each other. The cat and dog do not like each other. The cat and dog do not like each other. Alright, so that's my review of the VideoMicro and the VideoMicro NTG. Now, I've seen a lot of great YouTubes that done these reviews indoors with just the windshield guard on the NTG. So let me know how the comparison between the NTG with the Deadcat and the VideoMicro with the Deadcats performed. I'm sure you guys have much better audio senses than I do. So, as always, if you like the content of this video, hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. And if you have any comments, suggestions, put them down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And like always, peace out. Till next time.